Boyfriend ni
Learn training excellence for quality education. Learn what Central Science High School has strong record of success. It was raised for its excellent achievement and was given a level of education for 5 years. What you for level of evidence. Effort in early well-equipped science laboratories, IT laboratories, purpose-made libraries, speech laboratories, air-conditioned classrooms, student services specialists, highly competent faculty and staff. Medical and dental clinics, garden parking lots, and
Si Mar talaga. Mukhang tama. Ba't ka ba nagpapak? Susumbong talaga kita kay Sir.
Ba't ka kasi umutot?
Si Mar ang umutot, hindi ang kapatid.
Ikaw lang umutot.